Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you two simple but elegant spring home decor DIYs using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this large glass bowl that I picked up from my local thrift store. As you can see, I've added 4.5 bags of Dollar Tree glass gems to give my plain glass vase a brand new look. I placed my remaining gems inside of my bowl along with some Dollar Tree pink daisies, and here's the finished look. Next, I stopped by my local Dollar Tree to pick up supplies to make my very own spring door wreath. Instead of using traditional flowers, I've decided to use this Dollar Tree foliage instead. As you can see, I'm only adding the hot glue to the stems. Here's what my wreath looked like with just 3 of the foliage bunches. I'm adding larger pieces in the center and then smaller pieces to the inside and outside perimeter. I want my wreath to look as full as possible. I purchased this Dollar Tree gold metal welcome sign a few weeks ago, and I think it's perfect for this project. To attach my metal sign, I'm using some of the wire from my leftover burlap ribbon. This foliage wreath turned out super cute, and it's the perfect size for my back door. I'm hoping that the Dollar Tree will restock their 18-inch wreath form soon. I'd like to make a larger version of this for my front door as well. I've got a few more Spring Home Decor DIY ideas that I'd like to share with you, so be sure to come back next week for more. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, Dazzlers, bye!